Okay, now we're going to do this. We're going to home format this like this, merge. We're going to make it big. Say this has to be like this. Okay, that's good. We're not we're going to add some checkboxes. Ready button, sorry. We have this first ready button here. We're gonna get from the top value these cells to make it shorter, okay? Top region. So this top region. Then I copy this. This one is sales rep. Then we have top product, and then we have top customer. Okay, we have this top customer, top product. Okay, here we are. That's great. Align top, align distribute horizontally. Okay, that's good. So if I type okay, yeah, we can keep like this. So you can see here what happened. The selection, we want to show the top region or the top cells representative. We're going to display here this and this and this. Okay, top region is cost. If I have two top cells representative and this, this and this is the series of values. And if you follow my previous courses carefully, you know what I'm talking about. So you see now that I'm going to change this, and I'm going to copy this, and I want to paste this here, but this has to be one line below. Okay, you see this. Okay, home 10, this is also 10. Yeah, okay, we have this. Okay, and now we're going to see what else we can see. We show here the top of each area, and we're going to see other information important as historical data.